Review a Hmong Herbs online order. Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs versus Hello May Garden. Welcome to Hmong Clothes, Accessories, and More. Let's take a look at Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs online store. The little online store. Alright, so how to place the order. If you have Facebook, you should be able to look them up on Facebook. Click on the link and it will take you right to their homepage. However, with that being said, be careful when you're on their homepage. There's a lot of advertiser on there. So be careful of where you click because it will take you away from Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs online store. Here's an example. As you can see, I clicked in the wrong section, so it took me to the cost sales. So let's get back on track to Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs. Okay, so let's start over again. Make sure that you pay attention so that way you won't get lost like I just did. All right, so once you click right into the link, all right, so here are pictures of some of their herbs available up for sale. If it's going to be sold out, it will note it on the picture for you. As you can see, most of the default on the quantity is 1. If you want to place more than one order, make sure that you change the quantity from 1 to a quantity that you would like to order. Then it prompts you for your online or contact information. I'm going to go back and pick up another plant in this example. Again, it prompts you for your contact information. Make sure that you look over the delivery methods, policy review, payments and discounts, and review and purchases. Make sure you review the items before you check out. As you can see, there isn't really a cart for your items, but there is a list with pictures of all the items that you selected for purchase. Then proceed to complete your personal information for the order. Lulano yin keto jonke shaje jong at ne ja yu chua o nika ene you on the yori ja dia ene terichi you again. Once you check out, you will receive a confirmation for your order. My confirmation is 1107, as you can see. If you should want to review your order, you have the ability to do so. As you can see, these are pictures of my plants or herbs that I have ordered, the cost, as well as the breakdown of the total. A tracker is also provided in case you should want to track your order. Now let's take a look at the online store for Hello May Garden. Here's their Facebook profile with pictures of everything that they have up for sale. They have more than just herbs. But for this review, I will just be focusing on their herbs. Here is their welcome page. So they have a menu on the upper left-hand corner. Once you click on that, you can see everything that they have up for sale. So I pretty much just click on the herbs because that's all that I'm going to focus on for this order. As you can see, very similar to Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs, they have a photo of the item followed by the description and the price and the size of the plants. Again, the default for the quantity is 1. So if you choose to place your order for more than one item, make sure that you modify the quantity from 1 to a number that you should like to place your order for. As you can see right here, they also accept multiple payment methods, and your order is placed in the shopping cart just like any online store. This is something that most specialty plants and herbs is lacking. May Garden Majongli Nulu online store dùng gì mình chỉ đềuอยู่thiết chỉ thay的nữ giải nhia là nữ giải đơn đầu giả nhia đểอยู่xa lý giả mong là tàu ta. Here are the orders that I have placed, as you can see, in the total. And then they text me as my preference the confirmation for my order. You could get your confirmation be sent to you via your text message or email. Again, you have options. And in my opinion, as far as the website, I like Hello May Garden. It's very easy to navigate. They have a traditional cart in which you put your items in, and then you go through the review process and check out with multiple payment methods available to you. Here comes the exciting part. Let's take a look at the order. Here are the orders from Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs. Let's take a look on how they boxed it for shipment. And I just want to share that I actually received these items 3 days earlier prior to opening them here. So they are still nice and moist and as healthy as they could be. So I'm just going to go through, open all of them, and then share with you what I have ordered and what they look like. So in my opinion, they are pretty well packaged, and when it arrived, they are pretty healthy overall. What do you think? Janaya kuja yuchua or Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs Satorogo. The root system are very nice, compact, and healthy. Nede pa ti ni ja go na jong na pia, okay? Doka iso kumu minutes ta e ku yo to I cha chuan da ku lo jane na pia. Lo de ni jong da shi ma nyo de ni ki di to ju mu na pia. E ku ma li mo cho to na ha. Ti ti le ti chi mo ja ni roots na pia. E ni te li to na. Okay. Now let's take a look at the order from Hello May Garden. Unfortunately, I did not receive the order. I placed the order back on April 26th, received the confirmation of the order, and nothing more. There's been no email communications, no text communication. I have reached out to them multiple times for the status of the order after approximately 2 weeks. No response. I did a follow-up in both Hmong and English. No response. I have also reached out to them on their Facebook page. No response. I tried calling the number in which they text me the confirmation, which I didn't think there would be anyone there to pick up. But again, I figured, what do I have to lose, right? So when I call that number, as you can see, it automatically goes into user busy status. As of May 15th, since I have yet to hear from the seller, I went ahead and initiated a dispute with my bank to recover the funds. It's unfortunate that this is what it resulted to, as this is my first order with Hello May Garden. I hope that you all have a better experience than I did. I would like to hear your story if you did purchase from Hello May Garden. My user experience with Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs overall has been very positive over the years. I remember shopping with them online way back before they have the package that they do today. So they have come a long way. The product has always been a top notch. Customer service is excellent. As for May Garden, the experience has been disappointing. Unfortunately, as you can see through the review, I really can't say a whole lot other than the order was placed, no communication, no order received. Nhớ rằng nếu nó của là kia thì của yo của cho you chua đồ cái de be all mong ta lại online. That she lu nhỏ California who hello May Garden na lu nó ya lu thi or của yo de la shong nó that she của yo ta je thấy như ta that she le chỉ tế của tua ta cá le chỉ sa không tua đó của hu le le chỉ tế của song đâm trâu le của song đâm mong song đâm mấy cái tí she le chỉ tế của tư post đâu le ha Facebook tí she le chỉ tế chị cũng chỉ bảo thì giờ vì lý cha trong cái lý cũng sai là họ Facebook mà trong cái lý lúc bé thì thông tới chị lúc bé thì in tới chị trong lý là chỉ post là giờ update là họ Facebook là chị cũng chỉ bảo thì if they are still in business, okay, giờ nên là từ bảo là comment được cô and for Hello May Garden giờ thì này nó cũng đại video nó chị này cho tôi share here cho họ cũng cho hai thiết kia li họ cũng bỏ thiết cũng bao cú chùa và hai thì bên mong và mong rủ rủ anh đi mua cho online store bây giờ nhỏ đây chỉ một mong ở bên thiết li tàu tôi yuan the này thiết support the này bên support này là này support bên cho họ chỉ muốn này chỉ bên nhỏ đây bên yuan chỉ tàu cho you nó tôi cho chỉ của này cho especially for Hmong Specialty Plants and Herbs for a great service that you have provided for all of us who lives away from the Hmong community. I wish you all the best and most success in growing your online store. Thank you.